Internet, how are you doing on this fine evening? And today I will be solving a Rubik's Cube. Here it goes. 3, 2, 1, go. I am definitely not the fastest of them all, but I can solve it though. Alright, orange, green. Orange, blue. Red, blue. Red, green. Alright, so have the top layer done and matched with the center pieces. It kind of looks like a T. So now we're gonna start working on the second layer. To left. One of the cubes actually got twisted because, you know, these cubes can twist just like that because it's kind of like loose. So one of my cubes got twisted, and for the longest time I couldn't figure out what was going on. Alright, so now we have both layers done on every side. Now we're gonna have to start working on the bottom layer. Yay. The bottom layer is where you have to start like having complex algorithms and stuff. So I have myself a little chart right here that I made for myself. Yeah, that helps a little bit. Alright. Okay. That's very nice. So have the yellow cross now. Oh. Alright, so now we have the fish, because there's the head and the tail. I call it the fish. So we need this one to move here. That's easy. Alright. And we have the yellow face done and this face done. So here's this, so we need to put that in the back because the corners are already completed. Alright, so now we have all the corners completed. And I'm doing a video! And now this one is completed, so again, we have 3 sides now. So yeah, now for the final step. So we need to move this clockwise over to here. So the cube is done. Completed. Absolutely done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. Absolutely completed. And here's a little trick that you can show off to your friends. Do the righty alg 6 times. And the cube comes back to its original state.